today is Scotty's birthday and magpe-prepare ako ng food para sa mga bisita ko kasi in-invite ko yung kapatid ko and yung asawa niya and yung pinsan ko and yung asawa niya and also yung brother ko and magdi-dinner sila dito sa condo. And I will be cooking pesto and also salad. Sana masarap. I also ordered sa Grab pizza, chicken, and also cake. Sana masaya. So, for today's menu, for Scotty's birthday, and also para sa mga bisita ko, I'll be cooking fettuccine pesto ng pasta. And I'll be adding mushrooms and also shrimp and also cherry tomatoes para mas masarap siya. And also yung salad. Pinakita ko na yung recipe ko for my salad and madali lang siyang gawin. So, super easy lang yan, basic. So, let's start kasi marami-rami ang aking lulutuin. Tara! Kapalobo lang ako. Hi friends! Hello! Hello! Daddy! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Daddy! Happy birthday to you! Hi! Pink na mga tita. Happiness tayo, Luna. Scooty! Scooty! Happy birthday!
Sakto.
May coke ba? Gusto niyo? Walang ice. Ha?
Sarap na.
Hi guys! Hi! Hi! Magandang gabi. Maya Pabengi. Good evening. Hindi ko na alam. Pero, napagtanto ko na medyo gabi na. Actually, it's already nighttime. And napag-isip-isip ko na bumili na ng sofa. And this is the right time. Kasi nakita nyo naman, meron na akong dining set, meron na akong mga carpet, meron na akong mga pang-display, pang-decor, ganyan. Pero wala pa akong sofa. So, today, bibilhin na natin siya via online. So, orderin ko lang siya sa website. So, I saw this Togo-inspired na chair. And mas mura siya. Mas budget-friendly siya compared sa mga nakikita ko online. And guys, feeling ko, eto na to. Yun na yung sign ko Pero yun, nakita ko nga siya sa furniture source and I'm just so happy kasi meron silang two-seater and also one-seater na Togo inspired. Nakita ko siya kay Ayin. So, nakita ko siya sa TikTok niya. And sinabi niya na galing yun sa furniture source. And actually, meron silang iba't ibang mga furniture. Naghanap-hinap na ako ng iba't ibang mga furniture dito. Pero yung Togo inspired talaga yung nag-click sa paningin ko and also sa mind ko. So, ang tawag sa kanya ay Toro. Ito yung nagustuhan ko, guys. Ito siya. This one. It's the two-seater Toro lazy sofa. And siya in the color white. Yun na lang yung available niya. Wala na yung kay Ayin na color brown. And this one is only 21,900, guys. 21,900 lang siya. This one is a faux leather. I think it's super sulit na for its price. I prefer leather because, as you may know, meron akong dogs. So, ayokong dumidikit yung balahibo nila. Feeling ko bibili pa ako ng isa pang sofa. So, this one, gusto ko rin siya. A Toro lazy chair with ottoman. So, this one is only 15,995. Naka-sale siya. So, ang gagawin ko is, add to cart ko lang sila and I'll just wait for the delivery. I'm excited! So, itutulog ko muna to and I'll just wait for a few days for it to arrive. Ayun, excited na ako. Tara! Hi guys! Good afternoon! Today is Thursday and it's August 28 finally. My sofa will arrive today and I'm just so excited kasi sobrang tagal ko na siyang inaantay and sobrang tagal ko na rin siyang pinagdedesisyonan if kukunin ko siya or hindi. And I'm just waiting na ma-deliver siya. Right now, like 40 minutes, darating na sila. And empty tong living area ko or living room kaya naman yung sofa na darating, it would give parang a character dito sa living room ko. And also, para may maupuan na rin if in case I have visitors, ganyan. So, excited na akong makita siya kasi it's my dream sofa. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Kasi paparating na sila. Let's go! Ngayon, punta naman tayo sa kitchen ko. Kasi hindi ako masyadong fan nitong part na to kasi nakikita lahat. Kitang-kita mo lahat ng lalagyan niya. And also, dito ko linalagay yung mga cookware ko. So, I don't want that. So, itatago natin sila kasi may binili akong curtain. So, tara. So, parang ilalagay mo lang siya. Ipapasok mo lang siya. And then, another one. So, I like this one kasi may rubber na siya sa baba. So, hindi siya mag-slip. Hindi siya dudulas sa floor. Unlike yung mga other carpets na nabibili. So, this one, I would put sa may entrance here. Para kapag yung mga sapatos na pinapasok, ganyan, pwede siyang paglagyan and hindi malalagyan yung floor ng dumi. In case na pumasok sila. So, ayan yung itsura niya. It has a rubber here. Yeah. Super cute, no? Ganda niya. Very classy. Finally! Andito na sila. Andito na. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. So I have two. This one is a Toro Lazy Sofa. It's a two-seater. And then this one is a Toro Lazy Chair with Ottoman. One-seater lang to, pero may ano siya sa paa. Let's unwrap them. So I'm just so excited. So let's start with the two-seater kasi no, let's start with the one-seater first. Ito na siya. Next na bubuksan natin is this two-seater Toro or Togo inspired na upuan. So this is what they look like. Nabuksan na natin silang lahat. Ngayon, i-arrange naman natin sila kung kakasya sila. Ang lalaki pala nila. Hindi ko in-expect yung size nila, pero ang ganda ng quality. So, arrange na natin sila. And lalagay ko na yung carpet ko kasi, ayun nga, meron na tayong sofa. Pagod na ako. Oh my gosh, ang laki. Sila kasya. this is the final look of my living room. Maganda ba? Maganda ba siya? Let me know in the comments if you like this one. Or should I change the brown into white? Maganda ba yung color combinations? I really love this one. It's so comfy. Like, pwede pa akong humiga dyan, no? Tignan niyo. Super comfy. Sarap matulog. Kulang na lang yung mga pillow. So, I need to order online ng magandang pillow. So, next naman is etong one-seater, which I also love. Super comfy din niya. So, compared to that one, this one has a more of a shine to it, yung leather niya. So, that one is more of a matte type of leather. All in all, the quality is so nice. And also, yung pagka-deliver sa akin, super smooth. Tinulungan pa ako ni na kuya na iakyat siya. And, ayun nga, tinanong pa nga ako kung i-unbox pa siya. Sabi ko, i-unbox ko siya. And sabi niya, vlogger ka po, mom. Opo, vlogger po ako. Wow, super comfy. Ang dami ko lang pwedeng yayain dito. Like, kasya na yung mga 17 people. 17 people? I'll be linking it down below na lang if you guys want to order online or if you want to visit yung furniture source. So, maganda siya if you guys are looking for furniture. And hindi lang siya mga sofa, meron din silang mga dining set, meron din silang mga iba't ibang klaseng furniture. So, mas nag-eye lang ako dito sa mga sofa nila kasi nga, I'm looking for a Togo-inspired na sofa na very affordable compared dun sa mga nakikita ko rin online. So, ayun. So, I'm just so happy with this. Thank you so much, Furniture Source. Kung wala kayo, wala akong ganito. Yes. Hi guys! It's the next day and today we'll be unboxing my IKEA package. It's big. It's a cabinet. Oh no, it's a cabinet. This one. Oh, it's kind of heavy. Where's the opening? Number one, I think it's this one. Napansin so much. Hi guys! Hi guys, good morning. Today is another unboxing day, and today we're unboxing another lamp because I'm not just satisfied with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lamps. I need more, but I will put it on the shelf. Shelf? Is it called shelf or a cabinet? Ilalagay ko siya doon because there's no light there. It's just my big bolang crystal there. Let's open it. Oh, ooh, another styro. Wow, it's big pala. What the heck? I did not expect it will be this big. Too big. Oh, shush. Please. Okay. Am I right or wrong? I think I'm right. I'm doing it right. Can it fit? Ooh, it can! What the heck? What I want here is itataas ko siya. Like so. I think so. Like here. So, I don't want to parang drill sa wall. So, I'm planning to stick this kinds of hook. Feeling ko mas matibay siya compared to sa mga maliliit na hook. So, tinatanggal lang siya like, it's like a sticker. It's like a sticker. I feel like this would be the perfect spot. This one right here. Just hang it. What the heck? There. There. Next thing I bought, another unboxing. So, I bought a wall clock kasi wala akong relo dito. Hindi ko alam ang oras hanggat hindi ko tinitignan ng aking telepono. Pero ngayon, meron akong wall clock and I'm planning to put it on the water sprinkler kasi never naman mangyayari yan in Jesus' name. Because this one is not your ordinary clock. What the heck? It's like this. Oh, I think it would fit. I think so. Whoa.